All right, beautiful people on YouTube. Okay, found a 1 cent, $5 denomination, Super Grand, 90K. Grand's about 10,453, and the major on this one is 776. 1 cent's $5 spin, and let's see what we make. All right. Out to the third. Ooh, I thought I was gonna snap down now. Come on, coin. All right, loaded in $200. Watch the play, folks. Oh. Uh-oh. Wow. Oh, I got kings. Ooh, ouch. Two more. Oh. Wow, this is pretty bad here. Come on. Oh, I missed it. One bet back. Oh. You know what? I'm gonna try this. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Listen, I'm gonna try this. See if this one's a little better. Oh, that was a lot of puffballs. All right, I'm gonna put $200 more. All right. Both look bad. Ooh, so I like that sunset there. Oh, $116. Yeah.
Oh, slightly. What, the two of you again? We are restaurant like that. No, actually, I've been taking them out.
Okay. $10. Man, I'm missing it. Uh-oh. That's Buffalo. Press this on the screen. You should make it. Oh boy. All right. So I think I'm in the total 600. Oh man. I hope I hit a bonus soon.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? Jacob Lift, David Land, Brian Simon, Dale Shishito to the poker room, please. Jacob Lift, David Land, Brian Simon, and Dale Shishito to the poker room, please.
No, you worked hard to get that up there. See, it's not a little bit more.
All right. I don't like this machine. Both plays I don't like, the $5 and the $10. I don't know which one I'm coming close to a bonus though. Man. All right. So now this is 800.
Four? That's the.
No bonus to be seen on this one.
And you can multiply from there. You get a bonus within a bonus. I mean, you can't.
Wow. Oh, sunsets.
You'll know if you get it. Maybe don't know what you might get. Just been slow. Right on. No, I play these a lot really hard. Keep getting those coins. Keep getting the coin for the lightning buffaloes. You want to keep eating them. We'll put you in
Lost track. Was this 800?
bonus within the buffalo. What are you up to? Well, it depends on. I've got to cut to 50 cents sometimes.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? The poker room now has seats available in the Cisco County Golf Tournament. All friends are welcome. Thank you.
Maybe we can do another one.
I know this.
Buffalo!
Loading me with all the tents. $360. Oh boy. The first bonus. Picked it up at $10.99.
Oh, ayan siya. Oh, that's it. You missed me out. You just never know. I get Basil
Oh, isn't no good, man. Picked up one of those bad ones. It's okay though.
What do you want? 8-9.
Oh, that was a pretty Buffalo box. Oh, the major. Oh. Last one, everybody. Asia. Oh.
Buffalo!
$522 bonus.
Oh, wow. Yeah. That's 100 there, and I got a chance for to win the $10.
Oh, come on.
Gotta be back, look.
Got a lot of minis here. I like the sunsets on this game here. Oh, that was a lot of buffaloes.
I like this fishing. Especially if you get a major. Oh, you got some. Oh, yeah, you said. You can do good on
Elvis.
just hit the play. I'm not sure what you're going to get on it. You'll know what you get. You just keep hitting the wind. Get wind. Yeah, and then up above, they don't open up the screen and you get more and more. Oh, good. Oh, good.
Ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. For Cookroom now listing available in the 6 p.m. Dunkin' Texas Hold'em Center. Open your welcome. There you go.
This machine might be on. Kind of like what you got. Maybe I'll do better than 50. Oh, wow. Now, if you get, during this bonus, if you get 8 of these or more, you get a chance for the Super Grand. And when I was in Lobson earlier in the year, I had a chance.
I'm just gonna check with you.
$150,000. I had a chance. I got it on my phone, recording this in case I won it. And I said, I need one more. But I didn't send it to anyone because I didn't get it for it.
All right. And going back down again.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. I even forgot how much I'm in for. Let's go ahead and reload. Hey, how you doing, man? All right, this is gonna be pretty painful.
I've had it up 50, 60 before. I need some freedom.
Hey, so where's my free spins? Then again, what bonus it?
This will send me into another bonus to get a chance to win these ones.
Wow.
All of them, 90 grand.
Oh, I got sizzled. Alright. If we can get the super grand.
Still got 21.
Super grand. Super grand. Come on, get those massive sunsets. Oh, coin.
Still got 20 more games.
Another chance at the super grand. No. Yeah. All right. Let's get some coins or some sunset. Oh. Ooh, almost. Almost there. Come on. No. Oh. There's a. Oh, I need a sunset. Coin in. Oh. Come on, coin. Oh. Almost. Tens to fourth. Coin. Oh, come on. Oh, no. Coin. Oh, last spin, everybody. Yes, one more coin. Oh, man. Coin. Oh. No. Coin. Ah, it's a dangler. Oh, boy. 765. I think I lost like 200, I think. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm in here for. All right, let's do this. That was a close call, actually. Let's do this here. Man, that was a pretty good bonus for $10 spin. And come on, coin. Ooh, come on, tomorrow. Oh, jeez. That was robbery. For $8.
96.
All right, let's play to our first bonus. Let me see what this game is all about. Man, this game is very bad, dude. What the hell? I'm missing everything.
Teléfono. Dile, por favor.
Wow. What's up with that? 30 bucks. Give me one bonus. Let's see what you're all about. Oh, that's $20. Oh. Oh, finally, I got one bonus. Buffalo! Wow. Holy smokes. That was pretty gross. I only made like $13 on that bonus. Wow. Yeah, I don't care for it. I might have to give up on this. All right, let me see how much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, I think I lost like $300 or $400. All right, geez, I don't know if I should continue on. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys. Bye-bye. All right, I stuck around, I played, I hit my bonus there. I dropped some of my money in my meter. I did see it, I saw it red there. Let's see if it appears again. Oh, no. All right, I'm just gonna finish the game. I'm stubborn. I was ready to just walk away, but played a few spins and then just got caught up into it. So I'm just gonna play, win or lose, whatever. This machine is interesting. It's sometimes it gives and then sometimes it just stubborn. Last one. See how many minis I can get. Come on. Nah. Free spin bonus. See how that pays out. Oh, come on, coin. Oh man. Oh. Buffalo. Jeez.
Buffalo.
And one of you guys used to like not knowing.
Yeah. Rick.
Rick. I never forget people were playing and all the writing all everything. We like people play. Look like me.
Yeah.
One.
Wow. Come on, coin. Jeez. The last coin bonus was like $13 or something like that.
I know, right? We're waiting to deliver it.
Wow, he's being so choppy. Come on. Ooh. Got 175, 50. Buffalo! Big box territory. Let's see how much big boxes I can bring down. Not that one. maybe I got all the big boxes already. Whoa. Come on, man. A little bit more than that. I was thinking I got 3 wide open reels here. There's 15. Yeah, 50. Saw 25. Minor ball. Hey man, enough with the 5s. Oh, the maybe some right. Oh, last one, everybody. No.
Buffalo!
$405. Not bad, right? Man, I should call it a quits, man. Yeah, maybe I should. Oh, I sizzled. Woo! All right, that worked out for us. Yeah, pretty much sure this is going to be a spin bonus. There should be a spin bonus. Oh, guess not. Oh, let's see. Slap down the major. Oh. Oh, come on. Minor ball. Save. Oh, come on. Let's go. Come on, one more, at least one more. No. All right. Alright, that was very dangerous what I did. I think I pulled out making $91. I gotta watch my video. But yeah, so I wouldn't try this at home, kids. Alright, that was a close call. I almost kind of lost my winnings. Alright, and if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next one. Bye-bye.